All right, so this is number 6, 240106. It's the corner cap, and we are ready to go. It is asking for grams. We have a metric template open, and let's get started. All right, let's start with an extrude on the back. And all right, let's do and let's drop an arc on there. So I don't know if you saw that little green thing. Kind of an interesting way to add arcs that if you come straight out, it'll give you a tangent arc. And if you go to the side, it'll give you a not tangent arc, sorry. All right, I think that's it. We're going to extrude that, and that's going to have a depth of 60. And on that same sketch, we'll make another sketch. And all right, I think I'm going to have to adjust that. I don't think that constraint stuck. That's all right. Let's see here. This has a depth of 10. Yeah, that's what I thought. This one's 15. And these are going to be horizontal. Right. And that gets an extruded depth of 7. Just check and make sure it's going the right direction. There we go. All right. And for these holes, what I'm going to do is use that sketch region option. So I'm going to sketch, and I'm going to have to add that round. But I'm going to put a circle and a circle. All right, we've got the inner hole is 20, outer hole is 30. The distance between them is not shown here. All of the dimensions are wrong. That's all right, we can fix it. And $40 and $60. I've noticed that my home mouse tends to not select things as well as my school mouse. So I need to be extra careful when I'm clicking on some of those corners that I'm getting, that they're being selected when I'm trying to add a dimension. All right, I believe that was the only round. Okay, got the 20 and 30. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use sketch regions, and I'm going to get all of these shapes here extruded the other direction. And then with the sketch region, I'm going to add this section back in. The reason I'm doing that is because the counterbore is coming up from the rounded surface. So I'm doing that to kind of get that counterbore shape there. All right, this one would be easier to do, but we'll just, actually we'll do it as a whole. And we'll place that 22 down and 30 from the left. And give it counterbore. The through hole is 26. And the counterbore is 34. with a depth of 6. Hopefully I can set my diameter to 26 now. Make it go all the way through. And so that linear option means I don't have to make that sketch. Everything's looking pretty good there. All right, let's see how we did. Let's try 170. Nailed it. Oh, so close to my previous time. So close. All right. So let's see, anything fun there? We took advantage of the linear hole placement, so we didn't have to create the sketch. We used sketch regions to, because the counterbore was on the far side. All right, I think we're good to go. Thanks.